overall faster than saying every $60 to be paying. Fast energetic bass driven by the hi-hat. Snare hits hard and sharp, off and double with a clap. Fast complex hi-hat. Even that modern urgency, but with a slight strain. Slight strain of a slight swing. Separate the record and the strain of the brain. Not in the way to be in the pillar, but refusing to let it crack and resolve. Structure and rhyme schemes. Broken urge and high energy delivery with a consistent rapid fire flow in the verses. Use complex internal rhyme schemes to demonstrate every genre in the This is the anthem part. Simple, easy to yell along with example. I am the foundation. They can't break the base, held it down when the whole city was lost in the maze. Accountability etched into the lines on my face. Gotta move with the purpose, leave no room for disgrace. Gotta move with the purpose, leave no room for disgrace. Yeah, to tell the challenges of the past, what was overcome and what was witnessed. Fast energetic pace driven by the hi-hat. Snare hits hard and sharp, off and double with a clap. Fast complex hi-hat. Deep that modern urgency, but with a slight strain. Slight strain of a slight swing. Separate the record and the strain of a brain. Not in the way to be in the pillar, but refusing to let it crack and resolve. Structure and rhyme scheme. Broken urge and high energy delivery with a consistent rapid fire flow in the verses. Use complex internal rhyme schemes to demonstrate every genre environment. This is the anthem part, simple, powerful, and easy to yell along with example. I am the foundation, they can't break the base. Held it down when the whole city was lost in the maze. Accountability etched into the lines on my face. Gotta move with the purpose, leave no room for disgrace. Gotta move with the purpose, leave no room for disgrace. To tell the challenges of the past, what was overcome and what was witnessed, and with the powerful load to change the narrative, lyrical.
Và sao đấy à? Đấy, dắt ảnh.
Foundation of heli, distorted 808 slides and precise. Trap hot hat rolls, the kick drum hits with a powerful mind punch. Unique cultural elements, main riff gets played on a traditional cat. Mirror instrument like the Ronio or mournful. Cyclical melody from the can flute. This sample is treated with modern effects to lend its in the speed with the 808s. Folk the text of in just verse faded and out of the beat, giving it a deep spiritual wing. The speed overall vibe, epic, dressing and deeply plowed. It should sound like a massive modern anthem being played inside an ancient temple. Lyrical concept be dangerous as Tannis. Bitches straight the journey about the responsibility of the current generation. I'm out of the past while defining the modern Guardian identity. It mixes the swagger of modern rap with profound cultural pride. Style. Dual identity navigating space between the globalized digital world and the ancient current heritage. Resilience highlighting the deep history and the strength of the culture that survived trauma. Focusing on moving forward without forgetting, creating responsibility. Yeah, the way to pride in being an artist who is a voice for the country and is bringing cameras down to the global stage. Structured and functions, sweet rapping, multi-syllable, a blussy trap flow with the modern veins and close and flowing, over-reflected, almost spoken, on celebrity. Discussing history or culture.
The mixing of old and new example. Yeah, my legacy, rhythm built on stone and the steel.
thò tới nó.
Thọt à?
Rồi.
Thọt rồi thế này.
Bà này. Này nhau bài à.
It's through style comedies.
Để mẹ tôi nâng này dương này chi. Rồi nói bên đây mặc lại tất cả.
Giving it a deep
Dạ, cho đi máy rồi.
spiritual atmosphere. Overall vibe.
Lại anh cho máy lắm.
Trap hot hat rolls the kick drum. Hits with a powerful mind punch. Unique cultural elements.
Anh lúc tàu anh tới mà.
Mirror instrument like the Romeo or Morphle. Cyclical melody from the can flute. This sample is treated with modern effects. Blend and send a speed with the 808s. Folk the text of me just verse faded and out of the beat. Living in a deep spiritual ink. The speed. Overall vibe. Epic, progressing and deeply plowed. It should sound like a massive modern anthem being played inside an ancient temple. Miracle concept.
Rap kita tu nah. Coba ya meh. Coba qua nơi đó mà. Là Âu Tente. Lời chăng.
Dual identity navigating the space between the globalized world and the ancient. Resilience highlighting the deep history and the strength of the culture that survived trauma. Focusing on moving forward without forgetting creative responsibility. Yeah. The weight and pride of being an artist who is a voice for the country and is bringing camera sound to the global stage. Structured and flow shifts between rapid, multi-syllable, a rushing rap flow with a lot of veins and flows to the forward, over playing, almost spoken, on celebrity.
Alright. Bay cũng nứt. Đưa ra cho nó điên.
Fishing